Deep within Sector 7, the Alpha rocket station remains on high alert. No one enters, no one leaves. But tonight, an unscheduled cargo transport arrives, carrying the experimental core needed for the final launch. The automated AI core is awake. Its ultrasonic eyes scan the darkness, measuring every single millimeter of the approaching threat. Distance verified. Vehicle identified. The central processing unit is calculating the clearance authority.
Access granted.
Identity confirmed. Access granted. The system unlocks the perimeter. Initiating mechanical override. The blast barrier is lifting. The transport safely crosses the threshold to deliver the vital payload. Mission successful. The core has arrived, and the rocket preparation can finally begin. System secure. Lockdown reactivated. Want to build this smart gate automation? The complete code and wiring diagrams are in the description below. Subscribe for more brick tech.